Hello everyone, this is Vijay Kumar, Math faculty. Heartily welcome to my channel, Vedic Brilliant Math Educator. Today we are going to discuss quadratic equations, exercise 5.2, problem number 4 and 5. Keep on watching, don't skip the video till the end. That will definitely helpful for you. If you are watching first time of my video, just subscribe the channel and try to share this video to your friends and family members as much as possible. If you did not watch the previous video, then do watch the previous video by clicking this I button, as well as you can go with playlist also. Question number 4. The altitude of a right triangle is 7 centimeters less than its base. If the hypotenuse is 13 centimeters, find other two sides. So we need to find other two sides. Here it is given, hypotenuse is given by 13 centimeters. Here one clue also given. The altitude of a right triangle is 7 meters less than its base is given. So base we don't know. See the solution. Let base of the triangle that equal x centimeters. Now we need to take the altitude. Altitude of the triangle equal 7 meters less than its base. Means 7 meters less means minus 7. Where to here? Its base to 7 meters less means x minus 7 centimeters. Again here it is given, hypotenuse also given. Hypotenuse of the triangle equal 13 centimeters. Now here just you have to draw the figure. This is the right angle triangle ABC. So longest side we have to take the hypotenuse, that is 13 centimeters. Base BC as a base, so x centimeters we have to take. Next this is the altitude, this is x minus 7 centimeters. So ABC is a here right angle triangle. When we have the right angle triangle, we need to take Pythagoras theorem. Now ABC is a right angle triangle, comma angle B equal 90 degrees. By Pythagoras theorem, so hypotenuse square equal side square plus side square. So hypotenuse, what is hypotenuse here? AC is the hypotenuse, that is 13 square equal, one side is BC, that is x whole square, plus one more side is AB, that is x minus 7 whole square. 13 square means 13 into 13. 13 into 13, that is 169 equal x square plus x minus 7 whole square. It is of the form a minus b whole square. So a minus b whole square, how we have to write it? A square plus b square minus 2a. A means x, b means 7. A square plus b square minus 2ab type we written. So 169 equal x square plus x square. Here 7 square means it is 7 into 7, that is 49, minus here 2 into x, 2x, 2x into 7, that is 14x. This 169, next step we have to take, that is, so 169 as it is, x square plus x square, 2x square plus 49 minus 14x. This 169 you have to transpose to right. So we are transposing to right. What we can get? 0 equal 2x square plus 49 minus 14x minus 169. Now we need to write in order. Order we have to write. So we are writing in order means 2x square minus 14x. Here minus 169 plus 49. 1 plus 1 minus. We need to subtract. Minus 169 to 49 subtracting. We are getting minus 120 equal to 0. Here we have to take the 2 as a common. 2 we took the common means x square is remained minus 2 7s are 14 means 7x is remained minus 2 60 is a 120 means 60 is remained equal to 0. This 2 we have to transpose x square minus 7x minus 60 equal 0 by 2. So x square minus 7x minus 60 equal 0 by 2. 0 by 2 value is 0. Now it is a quadratic equation. So we need to find the factors of this quadratic equation. I am using by factorization method. I am using x square coefficient is 1, constant term is 60. 1 into 60 we can get 60. 60 how we have to write it? 2 30s are 60, 2 15s are 3 5s are. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 4. Sorry, 4 3s are 12. 12 into 5. So subtracting means we can get 7. Means here for bigger number minus smaller number plus we need to give. So x square minus 12x plus 5x minus 60 equal to 0. This one we have to clean. In these two terms x as a common. X we took the common means x minus 12. Here plus 5 we have to take the common. X minus 5 12 is 60 equal 0. Here x minus 12, here also x minus 12. Total you have to take the common x minus 12. X minus 12 we took the common means here x is remained plus here 5 is remained equal to 0. Now here x minus 12 into x plus 5 equal to 0 we got it. This 0 we need to write in individually. So means x minus 12 equal to 0. X plus 5 equal to 0. This plus 12 you have to transpose x equal to 12. X equal to here 5 I am transposing plus 5 transposing we can get minus 5. Now here we got x values, 2 values we got it. So x equal 12 we got, x equal minus 5. Which one we need to take? Measurements never be in the negative direction. Means we need to take x value, we have to take the 12. Therefore the base of the triangle x equal 12 centimeters and altitude of the triangle x minus 7 that equal 12 minus 7 that equal 5 centimeters. So this is about altitude of a triangle is 7 meters less than its base and hypotenuse is 13 centimeters. We got here other two sides. One is base, one is altitude. Next one it is question number 5. A cottage industry produces a certain number of pottery articles in a day. I was observed on a particular day that the cost of production of each article was 3 more than twice the number of articles produced on that day. If the cost of production on that day was rupees 90, find the number of articles produced and the cost of each article. So here we need to find number of articles and cost of each article one we have to find. Here it is given for us, given the clue. Here the cost of the production of each article. Cost of each article is given by 3 more than the twice the number of articles. First of all we don't know the number of articles. So we don't know means we have to take that number of articles will be x. We have to take any variable x I am taking. So articles we are getting x means, so what we have to take the cost of each article. So cost of each article is 3 more than 3 more means plus 3. Twice the number of articles. Twice means 2 we need to multiply the number of articles plus 3 we need to take. And here the total cost of the production also given by 90 rupees. So see the solution. Let number of articles produced on a day equal X. Cost of each article equal cost of each article equal to, so cost of each article, how it is there? 3 more than means 3 plus 3 we need to take. Twice the number of articles. Twice means 2 we need to multiply. 2 into x, that equal 2x plus 3. This is the cost of each article. Next, here it is given total production on that day. It is given total production on that day equal rupees 90 rupees. So total production, how we have to get? The number of articles multiplied by the each cost of each article. So cost of each article one we are multiplying means we can get the production on that day we are getting. Now we can take, so x of number of articles into cost of each article is 2x plus 3 equal, we can get the total production we are getting. In that day, how much they are getting, that one we are getting, that is rupees 90. So x into 2x, that is 2x square plus x into 3, 3x equal to 90. This 90 you have to transpose to left, 2x square plus 3x minus 90 equal to 0. Minus 90 equal to 0. Now we need to take the factors. It is a quadratic equation. So I am using, by factorization method I am using, coefficient of x square term is 2 and constant term is 90. Without sign I am taking, that is 180. So 180 how we have to write it? So 2 90s are, 2 45s are, 3 15s are, 3 5s are. Means we can write 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12 and 3 5s are 15. Means 15 into 12 we can get 180 we are getting. But here plus 3 is there. So this both numbers we are subtracting, we can get the plus 3. Subtracting means plus for bigger number, for minus smaller number for we have to give. Means we can get here 2x square plus 15x minus 12x minus 90 equal to 0. Now here in this we can take x as a common, we have to get. Only x we are getting the common, means 2x plus 15. Now here we can get minus, here minus 6 minus, and 6 also we are getting the common. 6 2s are 12 means 2x minus 6 15 the 90. Sorry, minus into plus minus means 15 we are getting it equal to 0. Now this here 2x plus 15, here also 2x plus 15. Total we have to take the common. So 2x plus 15 I took the common, means here x is remained, here minus 6 is remained. So x minus 6 equal to 0. Now 0 we need to write individually. So 2x plus 15 equal to 0, x minus 6 equal to 0. This plus 15 you have to transpose, plus 15 becomes s, it is minus 15. So 2x equal to minus 15, x equal minus 15. This 2 also I am transposing, by 2 we can get. So x equal here, this is the plus 6, minus 6 becomes plus 6. So here what we took here, x means number of articles we took. So number of articles never be in the fraction mode. We can't say the fraction mode. So here it is also the negative symbol. Number of articles will be in the positive direction only. So here x value we need to take 6. Therefore, number of articles produced on a day equal x equal 6. Cost of each article also we need to find. Cost of each article, that equal 2x plus 3, that equal 2 into x value is 6 plus 3, that equal 12 plus 3, that equal 15 we are getting. So cost of each article value we got it here 15. Number of articles will be 6. So total production we are getting on once you have to check. Total production will be 90. Means 6 into 15. 6 15s are 90. So this is about the cost of each article and number of articles. In the next upcoming video, we will focus on different type of problems of a quadratic equations. Please support me by subscribing my channel Vedic Brilliant Math Educator. Like and comment on this topic. Dear students and viewers, do you like this video? Please share. It will helpful for others also. This is Vijay Kumar signing out. Thank you. Thank you very much.